Hello everybody, this is Chris from HOUDE Electronics. Here, what you see now is our battery booster. Okay, we made lithium battery as well, and battery booster is one of our battery solution. So what you see now is 3000 milliampere battery pack. Okay, and on my right hand is 6000 milliampere battery pack. Actually, we can make from small capacity to large capacity more than 12,000 milliampere. So we can accept customized order for different capacity of the battery from small to large. Okay, what you see now is how we do aging. So you can see here is the battery booster for discharging. Okay, you can see, and here is also discharging. We're aging, we are doing some tests now, and what you see now is we can make your exclusive customized OEM ODM battery pack, lithium battery pack. Okay, and just send us what you need for your specific requirements for the electronic board, for the battery, for the functions, what you need. And then we'll help you do a budget. We'll help you develop the products you need. Okay, thank you.